Here are my 3 great qualities. Good at soccer, good at spelling, good at math.
Here are my 3 great qualities. I'm good at drawing, I'm good at being helpful, and I'm good at painting.
My 3 qualities are dance, soccer, and tennis.
3 qualities about me. One that I'm caring, and another one is that I'm helpful, and another one is that I'm respectful.
3 good qualities that I have are playing baseball, basketball, and golf.
I'm a good artist, I'm a good musician, and I'm good at reading.
Three great qualities I think I have are I'm very forgiving, and I also feel I have a lot of patience, and I think I bring a great energy to whoever I'm around and have a positive attitude.